Hello viewers. Today's image is heart-wrenching. The rain is pouring down mercilessly. A frail mud hut. Inside it, a mother, pregnant and writhing in pain.
Her 2 children shiver with cold and hunger. One child lies helplessly in the muddy water, crying out for his mother's comfort. The mother's love refuses to surrender even to the cruel downpour. But the roof is broken, their stomachs are empty, and even their prayers seem unheard. What is their fault? Just poverty? Aren't these children humans too? Don't they deserve the right to live?
Hello viewers, I'm your host Muhammad Salim Khojawadia and you are watching Labbi Lubab's segment Dar Hakikat. This image is a scream saying to all of us, we are humans too. We also deserve the right to live. Viewers, it's time we stand with this helpless soul, raise our voice for them and strive to change their lives.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. And also press the bell button so that you can be notified of each new video in a timely manner. Thank you.